Hello, don't skip this video. If you wanna go to hell, you wanna die, then skip this video. A new commandment I give to you, that you love one another as I had loved you, that you also love one another. By this all will know that you are my discipline, if you have love for one another. This is my commandment, that you love one another as I had loved you. These things I command you, that you love one another. No one anything expert to love one another, for he who loves one another has fulfilled the law. For the commandments, you shall not commit adultery, you shall not murder, you shall not steal, you shall not bear false witness about your neighbor, you shall not covet, and if there is any other commandment, are all summed up in the saying, namely, you shall love your neighbor as yourself. And may the Lord make you increase and abound in love to one another and to all, just as we do to you. But conferring brotherly love, you have no need that I should write to you, for yourself are taught by God to love one another. We are bound to thank God always for you, brethren, as it is fitting, because your faith grows exceedingly, and the love of every one of you all abounds toward each other. Since you have purified your soul in obeying the truth through the Spirit in sinner love of the brethren, love one another fervently with a pure heart. For this is the message that you heard from the beginning, that we should love one another. By this we know love, because he laid down his life for us, and we also ought to lay down our lives for the brethren. And this is his commandment, that we should believe on the name of his Son Jesus Christ, and love one another as he gave us commandment. Beloved, let us love one another, for love is of God, and everyone who loves is born of God and know God. Beloved, if God so loved us, we also ought to love one another. No one has been seen God at any time. If we love one another, God abides in us, and His love has been perfect in us. And now I plead with you, lady, not as though I wrote a new commandment to you, but that which we have had from the beginning, that we love one another. Let love be without hypos, abhor what is evil, clinging to what is good. Be kindly affectionate to one another with brotherly love, in honor giving preference to one another, not lagging in diligence, fervent in spirit, serving the Lord, rejoicing in hope, patient in tribulation, continuous steadfastly in prayer, distributing to the needs of the saints, given to hospitality. Bless those who precede you, bless and don't cure. Rejoice with those who rejoice, and weep with those who weep. Be of the same mind towards one another. Don't set your mind on high things, but associate with the humble. Don't be wise in your own opinion. Repay no one evil for evil. Have regarded for good things in the sight of all men, if it is possible, as so as depends on you, live peaceably with all men. Beloved, don't erase yourself, but rather give place to worth, for it is written, "Revenge is mine, I will repay," saying the Lord. Therefore, if your enemy hungry, feed him; if he thirsty, give him a drink, for in so doing will heap coals of fire on his head. Don't be overcome by evil, but overcome evil with good. Love suffers long and is kind. Love does not envy. Love does not parade itself, is not food up, does not behave rudely, does not seek its own, is not provoked, thinks no evil, does not rejoice in iniquity, but rejoices in the truth, bears all things, believes all things, hope all things, ensured all things. Love never fail, but whether there are promises, they will fail. Whether there are tongues, they will cease. There is knowledge, it will vanish away. Now the purpose of the commandments is love from a pure heart, from a good conscience, and from sinner faith. You who love the Lord hate evil. He preserves the soul of his saints. He delivers them out of the hand of the wicked. Hate evil, love good, establish justice in the gate. It may be that the Lord God of hosts will be gracious, the remnant of Joseph. Test all things, hold fast what is good. Behold, how good and how pleasant it is for brethren to dwell together in unity. But concerning brother love, you have no need that I should write to you, for you yourself are taught by God to love one another. Let nothing be done through selfish ambition or current, but in lowliness of mind let each esteem others better than himself. Let brotherly love continue, but recall the former days in which, after you will emulated, you endured a great struggle with suffering. For you have need a insert, so that after you have done the will of God, you may revise the promise, through whom also we have access by faith into the grace in which we stand and rejoice in hope of the glory of God. Then he spoke a parable to them, that men also ought to pray and not lose heart. Be hospitable to one another without grumbling. Now, after many years, I came to bring alms and offerings to my nation. Please let us make a small upper room on the floor, and let us put a bed for him there, and a table, and a chair, and a lampstand, so it will be whenever he comes to us, he can turn in there. But no sojourner had to lodge in the street, for I have opened my doors to the travellers. A bishop then must be blameless, the husband of one wife, temperate, sober minded, of good behavior, hospitable, able to teach. Well report for good workers, if she has brought up children, if she has long strangers, if she has washed the stained feet, if she has reviled the affluent, if she has diligent fulfilled every good work. Share this message to everyone